In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Lottie animations to your Framer site, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Lottie animations are a great way to make your website feel more dynamic, modern, and professional without adding heavy files or slowing things down. Whether you want a subtle motion effect, a fun icon animation, or a polished visual on your landing page, Framer makes it really easy to do. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer and no-code tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Framer and go to the project where you want to add your animation. Once you're inside your project, look for the Insert button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click that to open the Insert menu. Now use the search bar and type Lottie. You should see the Lottie component appear in the results. Add that Lottie component directly onto your page where you want the animation to show up. Next, you need an animation source, so head over to LottieFiles, which is one of the most popular places to find Lottie animations. Browse or search for an animation you like, and once you find the right one, click Copy Lottie URL if that option is available. If not, you can usually download the JSON file instead. Now go back to Framer and select the Lottie component you just added. In the right-hand settings panel, paste the Lottie URL into the source field, or upload the JSON file if that's the method you used. Once the animation is connected, you can start adjusting the settings. This is where you can control things like autoplay, loop, and speed, depending on how you want the animation to behave on your site. If you want the animation to play continuously, turn loop on. If you want it to start automatically when the page loads, make sure autoplay is enabled. You can also tweak the speed to make it feel faster or slower depending on your design. After that, resize the animation so it fits cleanly into your layout. You can make it larger for a hero section or smaller for an icon style effect inside a card or button area. Take a moment to position it properly so it looks natural on the page. Once everything looks good, click Publish in Framer to push your changes live. After publishing, open your live site and refresh the page to make sure the animation appears correctly. If everything was set up properly, your Lottie animation should now be visible and working on your Framer site. And that's it. You've successfully added a Lottie animation to Framer. It's a quick upgrade that can make a big difference in how your site feels and looks. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.